Hello everyone and welcome again. This is Plumbing straight from Poland. Today I'm gonna show you how we've done a floor heating system in this house from start to finish. As you can see, the insulation is already done. The builders prepared that insulation for us before, and now we're gonna put black isolation foil to isolate screed from this white insulation. Now I will show you a small bathroom. Few days ago we've done hot and cold water pipes in this bathroom and outlet pipes. We also prepared pipes for the gas boiler, and under the gas boiler we've put manifold and main cold water valve and meter. It will covered by plasterboard together with toilet flusher. But let's have a look how to prepare the floor for the floor heating system now. If you will put that black foil, remember to put about 10 centimeters of that foil onto the wall too, and then you can be sure that the screed is very good to isolate from floor insulation. Now I will finish put that insulation onto the wall, so let's have a look. Hello, as you can see, my friend is giving on the wall insulation. It's not only insulation, this isolates the concrete from the wall and insulate as well. Yeah, because as you know, the screed when it's getting hot, it can move a little bit, few millimeters or something like that. So it's very important. This can't be too thin. Yeah, it should be like that with that film in here on that black film. Just right now we are put reinforcement mesh on that film, and we will use them to keep them together. I'm gonna show you now. It's not hard, but it's really good to keep reinforcement mesh, keep them together. It's a good option for that. In a minute I'm gonna show you how I put the clips on that reinforcement mesh. So see you soon. Now I'm gonna show you what kind of clips we are using to keep the pipes on the reinforcement mesh. Yeah. There looks like that. They've got special gaps in here. You just have to click them on the reinforcement mesh, just like that, yeah? And it will keep very hard on them. And then you put the pipe into them, and everything should be okay, yeah? The good thing is when you plan before what you want to do, I'm gonna put them clips to the outside walls first. So I wanna show you now. I show you one thing on the corners. What it's good to do. This reinforcement mesh is 10 centimeters long in here and in here, yeah. And if you put them clips like that, you will have a good bend in this place. And remember, always if you have outside wall like in here, yeah, you should put every 10 centimeters about 3 lines of pipe, yeah, because as you know, the outlet wall is colder, yeah, always. If the wall is inside the building, you don't have to do this. You just put them every 20 centimeters like this. So I'm gonna show you how we're doing this job in here, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to clip that pipe into them clips. Remember, when you're doing this, you have to go with that pipe into the middle of the room, and always you have to leave space for the return pipe. So when you are in the middle of the room, then you will have to go back into the manifold, yeah. We already finished. This is the entrance into this house. Now we are in the hall. Let's have a look into the living room. Yeah, this is the living room. There is a kitchen over there, and we left some space because in here there gonna be kitchen furniture. And now I'm gonna show you that small bathroom in here. That bathroom it's already finished too. We put floor heating system as well. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm gonna make more. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.